let's now go into a situation where you're debugging something. And so we have a UI that makes use of the QueryBuilder, and you want to understand what's happening. So here we have this a little bit outdated search interface, and this actually uses the QueryBuilder under the hood. So if I would be searching for something, and then out of the box it does a search, we see a couple of results here. We can actually look at the log file, and what we see here is the debugger. If you have debug logging enabled for the QueryBuilder, that's what you see. And so we saw that there was a query executed. It kind of starts here when it says executing query. And we see a pretty long query here, and then this gives you the query tree. So with the parsed properties and nested items. Later down, we'll see the XPath query being executed. There's been some filtering and some information about the result and how long it took. So let's go back and let's see if we change the query a little bit and search just for things tagged with business people. So we only have 3 results. So it ran the query again, and it's a little bit hard to see, but we'll have here's the part that changed. So we see, oh, there's actually a property here searching for on the tag property for a certain value with the tag I selected. That's great. Let's maybe change it again and say we search for full text, and we just get 1 result. Go back to the log and see how the query changed with the full text term I entered. We can also see the XPath query here, how it looked like. So that's very great to understand what's happening. And a very nice feature is that once you have this query from the log file, at the very first step, it gives you the URL in one line, and you can copy it, and you can go back to your QueryBuilder debugger, paste it in there, and it's in this URL format. And so you got this checkbox here to say this is a special format. If you now search for it, it will parse it properly and give you the kind of plain text to you and run the query. And so we ran the exact same query now. We can look at it. We can understand it more easily, play around. We can see the result and everything else that the QueryBuilder debugger provides. And so this is a great way to debug and understand queries from some code or user interface that you are analyzing. So that's it for the demonstration. Thanks for watching and have fun.